Quick walk around. Dana 60 swap, 513 gears, lockers front and rear, Bronco air, radius arms, suspension, Bilstein's high steer, PSE hydraulic steering. It's pretty much my max flex here, only because the tire's stuffed in the fender. Bead locks, 37s. I got Devers in the rear for springs, sliders, Proto Fab front and rear bumpers. Does very well rock crawling. It's got a crate 351 motor with a cam in it. Automatic trans with a low stall, so it kind of crawls over rocks pretty easy. Rear tire stuff's in there nice. Got a Smitty built 12.5K winch with synthetic line. This Bronco Air kit for the Dana 60 swap is well worth the $3,500. I mean, this thing has extended radius arms and all that. It flexes, some serious flex.